Hey, cousins. It is hot. I am tired. I just got off work from being at work at 12 o'clock. This afternoon, baby, I don't even got the time to even change my clothes, baby, but Auntie is hungry. So, and then it is Friday. Auntie ain't cooking. So I really got some takeout. It might be that was a good day. I don't like when the bag sweat. Ooh. My oldest son went and got me some flowers and bought them to work today. And he got me a $25 gift card to what is it called? Dunkin' Donuts. Y'all know how I feel about Dunkin'.
No.
So got me and the husband gonna eat with my son at work. So oh well. Oh shit. Y'all hold on now. My bad. Hold on. He at work. So every man for themselves. So I went and got this food from this place called Chicken Up. It's out Hamilton, New Jersey. It's my favorite little spot. Check them out. Again, it's called Chicken to Go. We got honey mustard sauce first of all, because I gotta have honey mustard. And this is the honey barbecue. My husband don't like no sauce on his tenders. I don't know why, but oh well. So this is potato. I gotta excuse my water. I got potato wedges with cheese. It's considered an extra large. The crazy part about it is I like potato wedges, but I normally get all the ones at the bottom. I get a little bit of cheese, but I don't. Hey, baby. Another menu, because I know they have one in the bag. So I got one. This is for y'all. I hate when I get something hot and the bag's wet. Oh my God, I hate that. With a plastic wet. These are tenders. Oh my. I got a 20 piece. And might as well eat half, not half later. And we'll be alright. Again, I like mine with the sauce on it. So I get mine, put the sauce on it and eat it. That's all I do. Mind y'all business. Get out of mine.
You can't have that, baby.
It's so good, y'all. Y'all gotta try it. Now, what did I do? How did I turn it this way, y'all? I'm just a little slow. This how I look, though. And it's the sauce. And the honey mustards. Honey barbecue sauce. Oh. When I say good, y'all, oh. On a scale from 1 to 10, I get them a 10 every time. Every time they hit. Every time they hit. It ain't one time that they don't hit. You hear me? Let me get some of these cheese fries. And again, I don't like the ones at the top. I normally just like the ones at the bottom. And this whole platter, it was 20, they call them breast bites. I think that's weird. 20 tenders, an extra large cheese wedge. The sauce come on the side. I just got a plain on there. And it comes with 2 sauces, but I bought 2 more. Gave me up to $41. And it's called Chicken to Go. Out in Hamilton, New Jersey. So good. So good. Yeah. Oh, I still got on my shirt. Listen, y'all, I'm so tired. And then I got I be recording in the car. And I don't be having no equipment, so I found this on sale at my job. I got this little mount. Little mount for my phone so I can do the recordings. Cause I be having car karaoke. And y'all gotta see it. But again, this chicken to go. I'll let y'all look. It's so got tender. Ooh. Now this is the part that I like the most. This right here. So good. And I got a Focus vitamin water, kiwi strawberry. I be doing no soda. That's water. All kind of water. Where it from? Again, chicken to go. You gotta try this. If y'all try, tag me in and let me know. I'll talk to y'all later.